Hey guys, welcome to my channel Mehveen's Kitchen. Today's recipe is Ramadan special recipe Sheer khurma. So without wasting any time, let's start with the ingredients. 1 liter milk, sugar, milk maid, cashew nuts, badam, pistachios, kishmish, dates and vermicelli. So take a bowl, add 1 tablespoon of clarified butter, which is also known as ghee. Now add all the vermicellis little by little, slowly in a bowl. Stir with your spatula and continue stirring till it turns the golden color. It has turned now. So next step, let's take a pan, add 1 teaspoon of clarified butter, ghee, add cashew nuts, which we have cut and kept it aside, some badam, pista, stir continuously till it turns into golden color. Now add some kishmish into it. Stir once again and keep it aside. Now our milk has come to a boil. Stir once again with your spatula. Now add all the vermicellis which we have roasted and kept it aside. Continue stirring. Let the vermicelli cook in the milk. So vermicelli has been cooked. The next step, add sugar, stir slowly. Continue like this till the sugar dissolves in it. Now add 2 tablespoons of milk maid, which is also known as condensed milk, and stir continuously for 5 minutes. Now add dry fruits, kaju, pista, badam, which we have roasted and kept it aside. Mix well and put off the stove. So sheer khurma is ready. Take a serving bowl, add the sheer khurma into it and garnish with your kaju, pista, badam, dry fruits, whichever you required or whichever you want. Now add the dates, here it is. So guys, this is our Ramadan special sheer khurma is ready. Serve with your family, friends in this wonderful festival. If you like my video, like, share, subscribe it and have fun. Thank you guys.